Hey guys, this is your girl Polish Beauty, and today I am here to film a simple, cute Valentine's Day look. You're going to be so surprised at the palette we're using. We're going to be using the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palette, not the Extra Spice, the original Spice palette. We're going to be using the lighter colors in this shade on this side of the palette. And yeah, so this is just going to let you guys know that if you bought your palette in the fall or the spring and you want to pull that bad boy out and use it in a different season, you can. It doesn't have to be just a winter palette. Now, I hope you guys know this is nothing extravagant. This is cute. This is simple. This is an easy Valentine's Day look. Okay? So, but right before we get into that, how about you guys hit that subscribe button, and then we're going to get on into it. Okay guys, I am going to finish my look and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back with the final look. How do you guys like it? I completely adore this look for Valentine's Day because I think it's like something simple and easy and not over the top, not overly dramatic. Now, if you're looking for over the top, overly dramatic look, you can go over to Taylor Made Shane's channel. She's got like a super amazing dramatic type of look up. I just want to do something cute and simple, quick and easy and wearable for all my beginners, for all the people who can't do all of those types of things. I can't even do all of those types of things. So I think this is a good little Valentine's Day dinner look. So hope you guys enjoyed it, but make sure you hit the subscribe button before you go.